Good morning, Bedford Hills. I'm Fiona Lackland, your SCA Treasurer.
And I am Alyssa Kelly, your SCA President, and this is the news for Thursday, December 19, 2019.
Today is National Hard Candy Day. Most hard candies are 100% sugar with flavoring and colors added.
To make hard candy, boil sugar syrup to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the soft sugar into molds or fold it. Once cooled, the candy becomes hard and brittle.
Did you know that the first hard candies, such as lemon drops and peppermints, were given by doctors as medicine for stomach trouble?
Yes, at the time, sugar was an expensive resource, and candy was considered only for the rich.
Hard candy became popular in the 17th century as sugar prices fell. By the mid-1800s, over 400 companies were making this popular treat.
In 2015, Jolly Ranchers beat Werther's Original for the best-selling hard candy. Other popular hard candies include Dum Dum Pops, Lifesavers, Tootsie Pops, and Blow Pops.
Today's word of the day is ample. When something is ample, it is abundant or has plenty of room.
The candy store has ample varieties of candy on the shelves. Everyone can find something that they like.
As for our calendar, don't forget that tomorrow is the half-day and the sing-along for the entire school.
Wear a festive outfit and get ready for some fun.
This is Fiona Lackland
and Alyssa Kelly. Remember, be respectful,
be responsible,
be ready to learn.
It's the Husky way every day. Have a great day.